Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a Gmail account from your Android phone. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to manage your accounts easily and securely. So let's get started. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. Scroll down the Settings menu and find Accounts or Accounts Backup, depending on your device. And once you find Accounts or Accounts Backup, tap on it to view all the accounts synced on your phone. Here in the Account section, you will see a list of accounts associated with your phone. So look for the Google account you want to remove and click on it. After that, you will see a screen like this. And you can see we have this option of remove account. Click on it and this confirmation will appear with a warning that removing this account will delete all the associated data from your phone. So click on remove account to confirm your choice. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to enter your device password, PIN, or confirm with a fingerprint. Do so to complete the process. Once the account is removed, your Gmail and other Google services tied to that account will no longer be accessible on your Android phone. However, you can always add the account back later if needed. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.